an international metropolis. A harmonious era with dream. A company that constantly explores innovation. D&R was founded in 2011, located in a beautiful coastal city, Qingdao, China. D&R is professional high-technology manufacturer of pet hygienic products with production, research, and marketing development. After a decade of continuous exploration, innovation, and growth, now we have 4 high-speed automatic production lines and nearly 100 employees with 10 engineers, QC team, and a customer service team. D&R is leading manufacturer of pet training pad in China. In 2015 and 2017, we launched professional pet pad production lines with international advanced technology and supporting facilities. With a full range of high-sensitive monitoring video detector, automatic image monitoring system. We have advanced technology such as automatic material changing, automatic precision deflection correction. We have achieved automatic production, monitoring, precise identification for meeting all requested production and quality control. D&R has standard laboratory with complete inspection and testing equipment for raw material and finished products. D&R quality control is state-of-the-art, relentless pursuit of highest standard from acquisition of raw materials and manufacturing process. After 10 years of research and development, D&R has accumulated rich experience in production, management, and technology. Now we have developed more than 10 new cell phone patent products, such as Cinch Pad Pad, Anti-Slip Pad Pad, Health Indicating Pad Pad, and Biodegradable P-Pad. Now the daily production capacity reached more than 1 million pieces, and monthly export more than 100 containers to over the world. Our new factory will have construction area of about 25,000 square meters, have capacity of 10 production equipment lines, and we can reach the daily production capacity of 3 million pieces, the monthly export 300 containers. D&R was certified by ISO 9001, ISO 14001, ISO 45001, and GBT 29490 for meeting the international market request and laying a solid foundation for the future development. All the products of our factory exported over the world. Projects are shipped to the United States, South Korea, Japan, Southeast Asia, and the European Union, and more than 30 countries and regions. Our products have earned a respected and reputable status in the international market, earning substantial market share in the high-end pet supplies market. We never forget our original intention, continuous innovation, and eco-win for every cooperative partner. We will make D&R to be the best supplier in pet industry and a premium brand. Select quality, select D&R.